Welcome back to How To Knots for our first episode in the Ashley Book of Knots series. Today we're going to be showing you a tutorial on ABOK number 1, or the sheep bend. So the sheep bend is a great knot to tie between two ropes, connecting them, and there's about two or maybe more than two ways to tie it, but we're just going to show you the easiest way today. So the sheep bend is actually the same as the weaver's knot, which will be our second episode of the Ashley's Book of Knots series. And we'll show you how they're similar, but in this video, we're just going to show you how to tie the sheep bend. So this is what the sheep bend looks like after it's been tied. But it's important to note that when you're beginning, you're going to take your larger rope for the rope that you make a bight with. So we're going to make a bight, and the rope largest in diameter will be the rope you make a bight with, which is just this here, like a turn, that's a bight. So we're going to take our other rope, and we're either going to go through the top or through the bottom. Doesn't really matter. Most of the tutorials on YouTube will feature you going through the bottom of the bight there with your second rope. Then we're just going to go around both here, and then we're going to come in on top of the blue rope here, but underneath the red, just like this. And then we're just going to pull both standing ends. Okay, and there's the sheep bend. So we'll do it one more time for you. Make our bight with our thicker diameter rope. We're going to go through the top here. Sorry, we're going to go through the bottom. We're going to go around both here. There you go. And then we're going to stay on top of the blue, but under the red. And then pull it tight. There it is. The other way to tie it, which is the way that is featured in the Ashley's Book of Knot, is the exact same, but you're going to come from the top down. So we're going to come from the top, we're going to go through the bight, we're going to go around the blue rope over the top here, underneath, and then underneath we're going to go under the blue rope but above the red rope. So we're going to go right there, and then pull it tight. And there is the sheep bend. And this way here, featured when it comes through the top and around, is actually the same as the weaver's knot. And the sheep bend and weaver's knot are synonyms for each other, in theory. But we'll show you how to tie the weaver's knot because there's a separate way to tie it, because it's meant for yarn. But the sheep bend here is a great knot for tying two ropes together very easily. And you can quickly make the sheep bend a double sheep bend by adding an extra wrapper on the bight, which we'll show you in another tutorial. Anyways, thank you for watching our first episode of the Ashley's Book of Knots series, and we hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe for more content and to follow us along in this journey. Also, if you're looking to check out the Ashley's Book of Knots or purchase the Ashley's Book of Knots, we are going to add a link in our description for you to purchase the Ashley's Book of Knots. Just to let you know, this link is an affiliate link, so anything that you purchase through this link in the Ashley's Book of Knots helps our channel grow and helps us make videos for you guys. So thank you, and if you're interested, check out the link in the description for the Ashley's Book of Knots. Thanks for watching How To Knots.